Para sa'yo, equal outcomes or versus equal opportunities?
Equal opportunities.
Kita. Ang ganda.
Because it's not that there's no such thing as equal outcomes.
Oo.
But going back then sa conversation
Oo.
on equity, it's one thing to get to a point na magkaroon tayo ng equality. It's another to make sure that, I think baka mas okay siyang pag-usapan when it comes to human rights.
Gets.
Okay, so lahat tayo may human rights. And the reality that we're in, and sometimes because human rights is a concept that people cannot grasp as much, they assume na puro kayo human rights, ano pang gagawin ko dyan ko naman yung makakain. The reality is, the whole point of you being able to eat is a right, is a human right. Yun yung pinaglalaban natin. Pero dahil minsan yung mga lumalaban for human rights ay nasa echo chambers, na sila na lang din yung nag-uusap. Na-alienate nila yung actual. So, balik na naman tayo sa alienation. Na-alienate nila yung mga taong actual na need. So, just going back to the conversation, na there's no such... Okay, let me... Hindi naman there's no such thing as equal outcomes. But because people are different from each other, and the state of life and the economic state, socio-political state is different from each other, it will be hard to have equal outcomes. But equal opportunities gets everyone through the door. So was doon ko siya nakikita na hindi siya, just to be clear, hindi siya kumbaya-kumbaya lang tayo maging hapon na tayo equal tayo. Hindi yung sinasabi ko. I mean, that's very idealistic.
Idealistic yun.
Diba? Realistic naman ako as a person. Sometimes I feel ko bleak ako mag-isip. Pero in order for us to be able to at least have a chance to have good outcomes,
yun, yung chance to
we
have good
need
outcome.
to have equal opportunities for all.
Talaga.
Yun.